Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, leather seats, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.